Hey everybody, welcome to WEGS Garage. Today we are going to be installing the door waste seals on our 1964 Triumph TR4. Should be fun. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is the location where the doorway seals go. These are the seals that basically keep water from getting down inside your window, and the window kind of slides up in and out of there. So there's an outer one here and an inner one here. We actually purchased all of our parts for this from the Roadster factory. They appear to be really nice parts. This is the outer seal. Inner seal has this fuzzy stuff on it that the window slides on. And they're held in place with these little clips. Those were all included as part of the kit. So pretty nice kit. So we'll be going after that today. But the first thing we're going to do is try and get the inner ones in. They suggested that that would be a better way to go. So we're going to get started with the inner ones. Alright, so this is the inner waste seal clip. Has two parts. This little hook hooks on the actual seal, and then this other part goes on the sheet metal of the door. So what you gotta do is get the clips onto the door and then get the seal pushed down onto the clip. So we're gonna try that now. Here we've got the inner clips in place. These ones we found you can just reach under and push them onto this flange. You can see how there's the hook there for the seal to fit in. And we kind of just evenly spaced them. We tried to tell based on the old ones where they go and just tried to match that up as well as possible. So now that the seal is ready to install, you can see the we've actually got the old one here, and we did have to just kind of gently bend this to match the curvature of the actual door. It's fairly easy to bend, you just kind of work it around, and so we've got it matched up pretty good. So we're going to try and clip that on now. So our inner waste seal is in place. Not sure how thrilled we are with how this fits. You can see it's not super tight against the side, but it is in there. And I think maybe once the glass is in there, it'll kind of like push back against that. So we're going to try it like that. I think on the other one, we're going to try and put a little bit of a bend in it to make it hold back there better when we do the other door. But on this one, we're going to try it like this and get started on the outer seal. Alright, so this is the outer seal. This one's mostly rubber. The Roadster factory seals actually have this nice flocked area on the inside here, which is supposed to be better for allowing your window to slide up and down. So that's kind of nice. But there's little cutouts every so often along here. That's where the clips go. And these are the clips here. So we kind of have to get this in position and then pull the clips up in using like a little tool. We kind of made this. I don't know. We'll try it. It's basically just a little hook that you put the clip in and pull it up into position. But before we do any of that, we have to kind of offer the seal up to the door. And we just have to trim like a little bit of this bottom flange off of there to get it to fit right. So we're going to do that now. right, so there we got our outer seal in place. Now, that wasn't really as bad as we thought, but we did deviate from plan a little bit. We kind of just reached under and pushed the clips up onto there. I mean, it's kind of a tight squeeze, but I think it's a lot easier than using the tool to come in from the top. Now, I'm sure that part of the reason we're able to do that is because we don't have a window in here yet. So if you have a window in there, you're going to be stuck using the tools. But with the glass out, it really wasn't that hard to just install it from the inside. I've really never seen anyone suggest doing it this way, but it does work pretty well if you can access it from the inside. So that's what we did. I mean, hopefully we're doing this in the right order. Maybe this is all wrong. We did slide the glass in, and you can get it in and out just fine when it's like this. So yeah, I think we're gonna be good to go. All right, well, that concludes our door waste seal installation on the driver's side. As far as order goes here, we still have to do the passenger side waste seals, but we're not going to do that today. I think what we're going to start on after this is working up more on this driver's door, getting the rest of the window components installed, the door release mechanism and the door card, and kind of getting this whole side complete before we do the next one. That way, if we've screwed something up, we'll know it before we get to the other side. So that's what we're going to do. Rather than doing all the seals at once, we're going to just do a door at a time. Anyway, that'll be on the next episode of WEGS Garage, so tune in next week. Thanks so much for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Later.